Hello. The channel name is Side Divine. No other information is needed. With regards to name, some of you will already know who I am. I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a little information as to why I'm doing this channel. Okay? The reason I am doing this channel is because I am a student of remote viewing and have been for a few years now. Before that, I am a lifelong clairvoyant. I believe we all are clairvoyant. Many of us have just been taught to not listen to that other instinct, that other sense. Many of us have just been taught to forget it, disregard it. Well, in my older age, I simply don't want to do that. I want to expand on this capability because I think it's incredible. And one of the things that I've learned along the way, especially with remote viewing, is that if you can find items, if you can see future events, past events, why can't you find people? Okay, this came about just being on the internet. Why can't you find people? So I inquired with some of the people who were actively remote viewing with experience and basically was told not to concern myself with it. Don't get involved. It's not worth it. People don't say thank you for, helping them. And, it's thankless work. You won't like it. And you'll cause yourself many problems and all of these negative things that, people simply just didn't want to see. And that really disturbed me. It really did. I just wasn't sure how to take it. So I started to look for groups, working groups within the remote viewing world where people were doing the things that I was interested in. Needless to say, those groups are very hard to find. And when you did find them, there was very little consistency. Sorry about that. Now, with no consistency, I was kind of stuck in a less than savory place. And I needed to figure out, okay, this is what I want to do. I don't want to look for things. I don't want to really look for pets. I'm not against it, but it's not really what I feel like I should be doing with this. I would like to improve. I would like to get better. And if this gift is true, if this ability is true, then maybe it can be of assistance. Maybe not. But I know that wondering what it can do, what can be done, wondering is worse. Wondering is worse than trying. So I know wondering is bad, so I have to see if trying is better. So this channel is simply to share what I'm doing and hopefully improve and just put it out there, because what if I'm remote viewing these cases and I have stuff that might be of use to someone and I'm just doing sessions on missing people and enclosing my book. And if there's something that could be of use there, then every time I close my book, I'm out of pocket. I'm out of line. That's wrong. So while I'm not going to seek out families and put myself out there like, hey, look, I am going to create this page because I'm going to just pray that if it's of use, it will find its way to the right people in the right places, period. That's the best I can do with this. And I think that's where it should stay. So you guys can join me while I grow and learn more and move forward and hopefully get better. And if you guys would like to learn this with me, and oh yeah, remote viewing isn't something that clairvoyant people can do, because I personally believe this is in all of us. This is another sense. You simply just don't take the time to learn. Most of us don't. So it's another ability like sight, smell, taste, touch. It's another sense that we just didn't hone in on. So why not try it? If you'd like to learn with me, let me know, and I will publish a few hints, tips, tricks, tutorials. Maybe not tutorials, because there's plenty of those already there. But maybe I can give you a few keys that I learned along the way that you don't have to pay for, huh? So anyways, this is my reasoning. I hope that it is of use. Maybe if not to help find people, to help more people come into this. And we could form a group and we could do it together. And maybe we could be strong and superhuman together. Someone else used that word, not me. But maybe we could all exercise that other capability within ourselves that we don't really take the time to study. And we should. Because in my opinion, we should all be speaking telepathically anyway. That's a whole nother subject. Anywho, I hope this is clear to everyone, and I hope it is offensive to no one. And if it is offensive to you, I apologize in advance. But this is a part of my personal experience and my personal travel. So I invite you to come with me, share your own experience. Are you into this? And oh, by the way, negativity just isn't going to happen in the comments, okay? Don't waste your time. It won't even appear, all right? This is a learning experience. This is a journey. This is the other side of the self. Let's explore, shall we? Thank you for listening, and I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it in, huh? Talk to you again very soon. Bye.